What's up, guys? It's your boy Kylan Williams, and I'm with my boy Malik, and we're gonna show you some shots of his helicopter. And let's get it into it, cut. All right, fly that thing, Malik.
It's about to die. Please support because we really want a drone, and we're trying to go like go really high and stuff and have fun with the drone. And please just subscribe. We need it. Alright, dude. Keep it. It's good. If it goes over there, like move it out the way because.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Man, fool!
Yo, do you see where it's going? Okay? Do you
Yeah,
see?
but it does it. This way has a control.
What's up? Hey!
Fine. Alright, let me see. Let me see.
Hey, that's sick landing! Yo, that's sick landing, bro! Ouch! Bro, but you ain't got that shit landing like I do.
Man, I can land it better than you. Man, if it was fully charged, I would have made it go to the moon and down to Chinatown.
Hey, guys, let me talk to you. Like, bro. My turn. Chill. Kill me. My turn.
Oh no.
Hmm?
You gotta wait. I ain't done yet.
Hey, let me pick it up. Let me pick it up.
Whoa, dude, it's cut in the grass.
My turn.
I don't really know.
Let me pick it up. Let me
What the
pick it up.
heck was that?
Yeah. Let me pick
No,
it up.
dude, it's like no joke.
It's from over there. Let me.
No, it came from over there. Man, let's go. I'll let you fly it later, dude.
You go. You go.
Like, dude, I just swear,
That was the bird.
No, dude, it came from over there. Like, I just swear.
See, it was the birds.
Hold on, let me put my basketball on. 'Cause I need to run when I'm ready. Come on.
Where we going?
Hold on. Pause it because I don't want them finding out where we live.